Well, making a little progress. Had a rain delay. We got like 2 inches of rain yesterday. So getting the front back on, getting the door in. Got a good location for the door. Just kind of curious to see how it did with all that rain we got yesterday. Could have blown in a little bit. It was a little bit windy. Of course, the worthless neighborhood dogs are getting into my trash, won't stay out of my property. But a big puddle here, which is probably, it came through that lake, I imagine, that we got to get fixed. So maybe a week and a half, this will all be done, closed in, insulation fixed, inspection done, and I can start moving some stuff in. So pretty exciting. Can't wait. Well, figure I'd give you guys a update, making a little more progress. It's probably been I don't know, a week, 10 days or something. Almost got the front wrapped up. Unfortunately, the good old company I bought this from shorted us one panel. Of course, we told them about it and they denied it, said no, you got everything you needed. So, you know, not real happy with this company. That's another issue that I've had with them, is a couple things we were short on and they denied it. So said don't ever use this company again, they suck. But so I got this coming from I don't know, metal supply source. It'll be here in about 2 days, and then we can get the front wrapped up. And let's see, you know, the crew reworked the insulation. So basically what they did is they pulled the roof up, shoved it up, and then wedged it back down the way it's supposed to be. So hopefully it'll stay. That was the other thing. They only gave us one roll of the good white tape. It's kind of like carpet tape. It's really sticky, you know, won't ever come off. But we used that already, so we got to get a couple more so we can get all these seams done properly. You know, that Gorilla Tape doesn't work. So, and then of course, then they've got to wipe everything down. Got to get the garage doors assembled and get them up. And then this is the white interior paneling that'll go all along the perimeter of the shop, so that way it'll protect the insulation, and it will also, you know, give me something to hang stuff on. So the door is pretty nice. It's a nice solid insulated door. They gave me a quality lock, so that's a plus at least. Still needs to be shimmed because she's rubbing up there on the top, if you can see. And then of course it needs to be anchored. They just have it set in here right now. I got that done today. Got a skid steer rented for the week, so that's what we've been doing today. We've just been clearing the outer perimeter so we can get busy, start getting this thing properly graded so the water will run away from the building. So got that baby. She's pretty fun to drive. My buddy Brad will be up here because he loves running this thing. So he'll be up here tomorrow and he'll be running this thing like a mad dog. And like I said, we'll get all this graded properly so the water will run. Get it tweaked. Same thing over here, you know. And then the plan is to get some stone and basically, I don't know, about 3 or 4 feet of stone from the building, you know, into the dirt area. Now that we're done with all the concrete, you know, we don't need this ramp for any trucks or anything. So this will be leveled out and we're going to cut into this, I don't know, somewhere around in here, whatever takes us to about 4 feet. So that'll be the retaining wall. And we'll use all this dirt, build it up here to keep the water from trying to run off over the retaining wall. Of course, this will be graded that way. And you're going to be pulling in from the road over here And then I've got this huge large area for either parking, or if a big truck comes for a steel delivery or something, you know, I can offload it in this area. Concrete pad will be in here. So that's the vision, guys. I'll take more video in the next couple days as Brad's running that skid steer, and you'll kind of get an idea of what's in store for the shop. And hopefully the crew will hurry up and get this thing wrapped up. The weather's going to be beautiful this week, so we should you know, make a huge push and be close to getting done. Thanks for hanging in with me. Well, let me show you the progress on the shop, guys. So it's been a beautiful week. It is Friday, so we've been at it about the last 3 or 4 days. Had the skid steer rented for the week, and Brad's been running it. Of course, he's a pig in mud. He just loves this thing and he's good at it, so that's what he's been doing. As you can see, we've been attacking the grade, getting a nice final grade on it. That way it's more user-friendly, and of course keeping Mother Nature out, because she kept trying to turn my shop into a swimming pool this winter. Of course, I didn't expect all the rain that we got. So kind of give you an idea. So you're gonna get a little bit of water here, but we've got basically kind of a homemade French drain, and she'll run all the way out. And of course, looking here, all the water is gonna go there away from the shop. And up here at the front, we've got it dug out. So going to be doing a 6-inch deep pad here, and then we're going to be doing a 6-foot retaining wall up here. But this will be a nice area to pull in. You can drive in if you need to, or if I got a, you know, delivery of steel, truck can just pull right here, and I can just take the forklift and unload her and load her. So the actual driveway is going to be over here. Right now Brad is reworking the grade, so all this water that'll come down will come into here and head out. But so yeah, so you'll be pulling off the road right there. You see, we got a lot of dirt to move, but he's been going at it. We got it built up here, and then it'll go all that way. So that's what he's been working on. Got about 3 truckloads of stone coming. Should be here any time. Show you how the back's looking. So redid the back. Back looks nice, so we're gonna drop stone down here. Originally we thought about putting a pad right there, but that front pad is going to be, you know, the main entrance now, because I was worried that we didn't have enough room and I wasn't sure how it was going to get worked. So I originally thought, you know, I would be unloading and doing a lot of that work back here, but that's not going to be the case. I can use the front. So going to save the money and not put a pad out here. We're just going to stone it, and then here's my nice ramp into my field, and of course, you know, the water can flow. And we'll get a little shot here from the back. You can kind of see how the grade is coming. So you just pull in down and sweep into the front. And now got a nice huge parking area right here. The crew was here yesterday working inside, but they decided not to come today. They're worried they'd be in the way. What they've been doing is putting the channel down that goes against the insulation, and wedge the insulation in to the front panels, and then this channel, well, actually these aren't channels, Tom, duh, angle iron, galvanized angle. Then these sheets here, they're going to, like I said earlier, they're going to go all the way around the perimeter. So they're going to mount there at the bottom, and then go to the top here, and they get mounted there. So they're getting all this stuff done, and they've got to nip and tuck the insulation just a little bit more. Then we'll be calling the inspector for the insulation inspection, and once we're checked off there, then we'll do the final push. You know, they've got to get the doors together and up. You know, that door is just in. It hasn't been shimmed or really tied in. We got this last panel that I had to buy separately because this company, you know, denied that they shorted us a panel. So that'll get up. You know, we'll get the front done, all the trim, and then of course they've got to do all the little knick-knack stuff. They've got to clean all this insulation to my approval. There's a spot back here that I'm not happy with the concrete. It's a little bit rough, so they've got to do their thing to make that right. So they got a lot of small stuff. Hopefully they can get this knocked out. It is the middle of October, so we're running out of time, you know. Got to get the move going here before winter comes. So anyways, hope you guys appreciate the update. I'm pop this in the editor and I'll get this posted today. So thanks for hanging in with me, and hopefully real soon we'll have a shot. Take care.